today I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got at the thrift store. And the reason for this is to show you guys that, you know, you can get some, like, you know, nice stuff, some stuff that you can DIY for your nail room, nail studio on a budget, and it'll still look good. Like, you still gonna be slaying in your nail room. So I'm gonna basically show you guys what I got, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. For all of this, I paid a total of $20 for everything. So y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all the pricing to everything and all of that, so that y'all can see that you can definitely go into like a thrift store and get you some cute, classy, bougie, sassy, ratchet, not ratchet, but some nice stuff. I just got like my own nail room or whatever the case may be, and I wanted to decorate it really, really nice, but I wanted to do it on a budget. For some things I paid, you know, quality for, like, you know, of course my equipment and my materials that I use to do nails. So as for decorations, I wanted to have like a mixture. So I mainly got majority of everything from either Joann's, Michael's, and the thrift shop. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the thrift store, and you guys are gonna basically, you know, see, like, it's just gonna be like a nail room journey basically. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So the first thing that I got, I'm gonna show y'all is these boxes. They typically sell these boxes in, like, you know, Dollar Trees or whatever the case may be. And the thrift shop that I went to, y'all, it had a 50% off sale, so everything was 50% off. So that worked out in my favor, because I got a discount on something that was already discounted. So I was able to get 3 of these, and as you guys can see, it's $1. I don't know if I can see that, but it's $1, and it was 50% off, so I paid 50 cents, and I got 3 of these boxes. And the color scheme that I'm going for in my nail room is definitely gonna be like pink, green, gold, and black, because I bought a brand new nail desk, and we gonna talk about that too, y'all. But anyway, the nail desk that I was able to find is black, so I had to play on black. And aside from this, like, if I lift this up, my wall color is definitely like this type of color, and I did not want to change it or have to paint it, so I just decided to play on these colors. So I got these gold boxes so that when I install shelves and stuff like that, it's gonna like really pop and look nice, y'all. I cannot wait for y'all to see like all the stuff that I got from my nail room, and I can't wait for it to be done, so like I could do like an official like nail room tour. But let's go ahead and continue. So I got 3 of these boxes, 50% off, so I paid $1.50 for all 3 of these boxes. And this doesn't really have anything to do with my nail room or anything, but I got it from the thrift shop, and it's really, really cute. Like, I be drinking like tea and stuff, like, you know, I just be drinking a lot of stuff. So I was able to get this really cute mug, and I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at that. Oh, oh. And excuse my nails, y'all, I'm taking them off. But I got this really cute mug, and it's like a Paris themed mug, and I paid $4 for this. But I went to 2 different thrift shops, so this one wasn't 50% off, but it was so worth like the $4. Like, y'all, this is bougie. It's so cute. All right, the next thing that I got, and y'all, some of this stuff is dirty because I have to clean it and stuff. I'm just showing you guys what I got. This was $2, and I got this because I told you guys I'm playing on the pinks, the greens, the golds, and stuff like that. So I got this because I could put like some candy in here or something, and it'll be a cute little fixture for my shelf. And y'all, do not pay attention to my nails, please. I'm soaking them off like right after this video, so I cut them down. So I got this, and it was $2, and this was one of the ones that was 50% off. So I got this for $1, and as you guys can see, it'll give like a nice little hue, a nice little, you know, look for the girls, period. So the next thing that I got is this cute little like bowl, like cup type of thing. I don't even know what you call it, but I paid a total of $2.50 for this. And I'm gonna put my like acrylic brushes and stuff like that so that it can be on my desk, and it's really, really nice, and you guys can see the details on it. It's really cute. So I got that. The next thing that I got was this little cute vase, and as you guys can see, I told you guys like I'm coming with the pink, so I wanted different shades to give like my room like a nice feel or whatever. So I got this vase as well, and I'm gonna put some fake flowers in here, well, in the majority of my vases. And for this vase, I paid $2. Y'all, my best friend is blowing me up. And the next thing that I got, y'all, I'm all standing my table and shit. This is not even dry. So, I had this, and I'm gonna show you guys the original color that it was, but it didn't look like, you know, crispy to me or clean. So I got this blush pink from Rust-Oleum. I don't know, it's like a spray paint place, whatever, or a spray paint company. And I, like, you know, spray painted it. Well, me and my best friend, allegedly, because y'all, she's not good at painting. She's not good at painting at all. But we painted these like the blush pink color, and as you guys can see, this is a look, baby. This is giving me Princess of Genevieve. This is giving me Princess Diaries. Period. So I got this, and this, the cost for this was $4, so I got it 50% off. So that means that it was what? $2. Y'all, alright, y'all. And this is another thing that I got. This was painted by my best friend. I told her to take the tag off before she painted it, and this is what I got. I don't know if you guys can see it, but she painted over the price tag. But this was about $1, so I paid 50 cents for this. So yeah, this is her work, y'all. This is her art. Good thing it's gonna be like way over here, no one can see it. Next thing I'm gonna show you guys is this little ball, whatever. It has some like leaves and stuff in it, but you know, like the old people leaves, like the burgundy, like, and acorns and shit. So I took that shit out. So I broke this part of it to take out the bottom part, but I'm just gonna place it on one of my counters. And I didn't spray this because I feel like the gold is all right. I wanted different textures of gold and stuff like that, so I was fine with the way this look. And it reminds me of like the little ball from Harry Potter. So I got it, and this was $1. So it's really cute. Sorry, y'all, my mom is doing it because why she was expecting me and why she's doing it. Anyway, yeah, next. All right, so the next thing that I got, and this is like my second favorite because I have a first favorite, and when I show y'all, oh no, y'all know my mug was like one of my favorites too. So this is my second favorite. This is my third favorite. So I got this little cup thingy with jigum. I don't even know what this is, but I'm gonna use it to like hold my brushes or whatever and stuff. And as you guys can see, y'all, I spray painted it because it was this color at first, like this ugly rusty, you know. It doesn't look rusty because it's like paint on it, like gloss, but it was like a rusty gold. But I didn't want that gold. I wanted it to look like really nice. So as you guys can see, the details in it. So I spray painted this with gold, with pure gold from Rust-Oleum as well, and I did a glitter spray on top of it as well, so it looks really, really nice. It has like a nice sheen. You can still see the details that were originally on the cup. And I paid a total of $1.50 for this one, and this was at the first consignment store or thrift store or whatever. And y'all, let's talk about thrift stores. I don't really like the smell in there. Like, it smells like dusty or like wet carpet or something, like. But I got the good stuff though, honey. I was in and out, but still, like, dang, they need to like dust it up a bit or get the stench out of there. Like, it was bad, like. But I got some good stuff. You would have never thought I got this from the thrift store, because why? And y'all, it's time for the grand finale. This is giving me, you know, Leonardo da Vinci. This is giving me, you know, Renaissance. This is giving me, you know, a nice boutique in Paris, you know. So yeah, like, I paid $2,000 for it. It's a one-of-a-kind piece. It's you know, a part of the, you know, I don't know how to say it. You know, I'm French in my own way, but I don't know how to say it. It gives me a certain je ne sais quoi. This piece right here was taken straight out of the Leonardo da Vinci museum, and I have to show you guys the detail on my favorite piece that I got. Y'all, look at this. Doesn't it make you want to cry? Let me move over. The price tag on this is priceless because this is a one of a kind. They're only made about 5 of these. So freaking cute and beautiful. Look at the little beef patches. And y'all, guess how much I paid for it? I know, it's unbelievable. Cannot fathom how I possibly got such an amazing piece from Leonardo da Vinci from the thrift store for $2. You would have never thought. Y'all, be real. When this is up on my shelf, call me Mrs. Dubell because this is a Mrs. Dubell piece, okay? But yeah, so this pretty much sums up my thrift store haul. And y'all, these are the pieces that I got from the thrift store. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And y'all should go thrifting for some, like, you know, nice pieces and accents for your house and stuff, because you can find some really cute things. I'm not saying everything in there is gonna be cute, because you're gonna find some rusty, dusty stuff, but if you find things that, like, you know, you really like, you can definitely buy it and DIY and, like, you know, fix things up from like ugly to the baddest. Like, y'all, my nail room is gonna be like a princessy palace, like flowery, like floral, like very comfortable and nice and bougie, like, you know, the owner. So yeah, but be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I don't even know what to say anymore because this piece probably is just, I have no words. But do you see the details? I didn't have to do anything to it. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely take that $2 off because it's a $2,000 piece. Yeah, and they don't got no name, y'all. I don't know who the designer is. And y'all, at this store, they don't even clean the vases. Like, they dirty. But be sure you subscribe to my channel because it's about to get real lit. And y'all, this, sorry to burp. But y'all, this background is soon gonna be lifted up, and you guys are soon gonna see the unveiling of my nail room. But I'm definitely gonna take you through the journey of how I'm setting up my nail room, how everything's going for me. And yeah, so see y'all next time, and period, we lit. Bye.